Good evening. I'm Brandon Ellrich with Brandon Ellrich is So Gay and Ellrich Unraveling, my new publication. Today I decided to make some more balls with my banana. The other day I made some protein balls and somebody in the chat, I can't remember who exactly, somebody said I think their son's girlfriend or something like that said that they made some protein balls with a banana. So I decided that I'd get a banana, my big banana, to make some balls. The other ones I made were like banana and peanut butter balls. Yes, Mason. The last ones I made were they had some dried fruit and nuts and oats. So this is a different version. Um, I'm going to be using the banana. It's actually kind of a big banana. Oh, no, I won't eat it. All right. There's the banana. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and start mashing the banana up a little bit before I add the other stuff. I'm just going to use a big fork for this. Mash banana. How are we doing this evening? I saw a few other people join, but I didn't catch their names. If you would like to say something in the chat, tell me who you are, or where you're from, or something. If you like cooking. And now we're going to add a little peanut butter, which I did not add to the last balls. So that's another different part of this, or a different part of this version. Looks like that'll work. All right. And I'm still going to use the protein powder that I used the last time. This is a rich chocolate protein powder, plant-based protein powder. So I'm going to add a couple of scoops of that. And this time, instead of just the plain rolled oats, I'm doing some, forgot about the peel. I'm going to do some granola. So the granola, this has rolled